7.1.14. Use the relationships in the diagrams below to solve for the given variable. Justify your solution with a definition or theorem. Alright, so looking at A, what I've got is I've got a parallelogram, it looks like, with, well, I know it's going to be a parallelogram. I have one side that's congruent and I have one side that's also parallel, and because we have these together, then I know this has to be a parallelogram. And so in a parallelogram, opposites angles are congruent. So I can say 2x plus 50 equals 3x minus 60, and so then 50 equals x minus 60 because I subtracted 2x, then add 60, and so I get 110 equals x. And again, that's because I have one side that is congruent and parallel. So they are congruent and parallel. So that makes this, then you have a parallelogram. Alright, for B, the perimeter of a quadrilateral below is 202 units. So remember, perimeter is where I add all the sides together. So you're going to do 5t plus 1 plus 2t plus 5 plus t plus 3t minus 2 equals 202. So now at this point we collect like terms. So you could probably do this as your first step. So you've got 5t, 2t is 7t, 8t, 11t. So 11t, then we have 1 and 5 is 6, minus 2 is, that's going to be minus, oh no, actually that's going to be plus 4. So 1 and 5 is 6, minus 2 is plus 4, equals 202. Looks like I forgot the t here. Oh, let me just write that again so everybody can read it. 11t plus 4 equals 202. So you subtract 4 and you get 11t equals 188. And then you take 188 divided by 11, and we get t equals 17.1. Alright, so that's what t is. And then here in C we have CARD is rhombus. So then that means all these sides have to be equal. That makes it a rhombus. And one of the criteria of a rhombus is that the diagonals are 90 degrees. So if it's pointing to this angle, then we know that 4x minus 2 has to equal 90. So 4x equals 92. And then 92 divided by 4 is 23. Oopsie. So x equals 23. Alright, and D looks like we have a isosceles trapezoid. I have one pair of parallel sides, and then I have these two base angles that are equal. So then this side would have to equal this side. So I get 13m minus 9 equals 7m plus 5. Subtract 7 from both sides and I get 6m minus 9 equals 5. And then add 9 and I get 6m equals. So when I add 9 I get 14, and then m equals 14 divided by 6, or 7 over 3.